Grandpa's woodworking workshop. Emma is excited to visit Grandpa George's woodworking workshop. It's filled with tools and materials ready for creative projects.
Welcome, Emma. Today, we're going to make a wooden birdhouse together. Are you ready?
Grandpa George begins by showing Emma how to safely use the saw. He explains the importance of safety while working with tools.
Remember, Emma, always keep your fingers away from the blade and follow the lines carefully.
Emma tries sawing the wood, focusing on the task. With Grandpa George's guidance, she learns how to handle the saw safely.
This is so cool! I can't wait to see how the birdhouse turns out.
Next, Emma and Grandpa George put the pieces of the birdhouse together. They use wood glue and nails to hold everything in place.
Make sure the pieces fit together snugly before we add the nails.
With the birdhouse assembled, it's time to add some color. Emma paints the birdhouse with bright and cheerful colors.
I love using all these colors. It's going to look amazing.
The birdhouse is finished and ready to be put outside. Emma and Grandpa George proudly place it on a tree branch.
You did a fantastic job, Emma. This birdhouse will be a great home for the birds.
After a productive day, it's time to clean up. Emma helps Grandpa George tidy up the workshop, putting away tools and supplies. Emma and Grandpa George sit outside, enjoying the view of their completed birdhouse. It's a perfect end to a day of crafting.
Thank you, Grandpa. I learned so much today.
As Emma says goodbye, she leaves with a special wooden toy from Grandpa George. She's excited to come back and create more projects together.
See you soon, Emma. I'm looking forward to our next project.